Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how the Amish dry their clothes without a dryer? Today we're going to explore 4 simple yet incredibly effective methods the Amish use to keep their laundry fresh and dry, all without relying on electricity. Let's dive right in. Method number 1 is probably the most iconic, the good old-fashioned clothesline. Amish families often install long, sturdy lines in open spaces where sunlight and fresh air can work their magic. The key to a successful clothesline setup is having strong, weather-resistant rope or wire and sturdy poles. Placement is also crucial. You want it in a sunny, breezy spot. What happens on rainy days? The Amish have a solution for that too. Indoor drying racks are their go-to method for drying clothes when the weather isn't cooperating. These racks are often handmade from wood and are collapsible for easy storage. Clothes dry naturally with indoor air circulation, and if there's a wood-burning stove nearby, the warmth speeds up the process. Another versatile method Amish families use is outdoor airers and folding frames. These are portable and can be moved to follow the sun or shade as needed. These frames are perfect for smaller items like socks and undergarments. Plus, they're great if you have limited space or don't want a permanent clothesline in your yard. Finally, let's talk about barn or shed drying. Many Amish families utilize these structures as makeshift drying spaces. The enclosed space protects laundry from sudden rain while still allowing airflow. Some families even open windows or doors to enhance cross-ventilation. And there you have it. 4 effective methods the Amish use to dry clothes without a dryer. These techniques are not only practical but also eco-friendly and cost-effective. Which method do you want to try at home? Let us know in the comments below.